Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Bumperjack in Tennessee on its RCI-2970N2. Bumperjack, we got it all ready to go for you, bud. You grenaded the MOSFETs in the amp section. We pulled all those out, pulled the amp board out, cleaned everything up, checked all the other solder traces, and dropped in the ERF2030 pluses for durability, and we gained a little bit of power on the top end as well. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Get you set about 5 watts all the way down in case you decide to run an amp with this. 40 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. She's bouncing up around 100 bird. That's where it gets good. 500 watt slug in PEP. Let's see what them ERF2030 pluses are going to do for you. Got down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A good 300 watts PEP. Alright, Bumperjack, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.